Welcome to FAD Tutorial. Let's make this laptop stand design in SolidWorks. We are in SolidWorks now. Go to the file, new, part, OK. Select the front plane, sketch, go to the line, draw a reference line like this. OK, something like this. Go to the smart dimension. This dimension is 24. Okay, make this horizontal. Smart dimension, the distance here to here is 14. Okay, from here to here is 18, and the distance here is 3.5. okay, the distance from here to here is 10, and the distance from here to here is 12. Go to the fillet, select the fillet, make it 2. Okay, like this, close. Go to the offset entities like this, select this one, make it 1, and OK. So close the boundary like this. Okay, smart dimension, this is 2.5, and this dimension is 0.5. okay, go to the feature, extrude base, and make it 20, and close. Go to the sketch, top plane like this, go to the corner rectangle like this. Okay, go to the smart dimension, the distance from here to here is 2, and the distance from here to here is 2. Okay, go to the feature, extrude cut. Okay, so make it through all both, close. Okay, go to the fillet entities, so fillet this one, make it 0.5, and this one is also same. That close, fillet again, and this one same, 0.5. Then select the fillet again, so this time it is 0.05. okay, like this. Okay, so select I hold, select the body like this. So similar with this, go to the fillet, select like this, and select this face, okay, close. Our 3D model is almost ready, so we'll go to the front plane again, sketch like this. So select this plane, go to the corner rectangle, so select like this. Okay, go to the smart dimension, 2.5, and this dimension is 0.5. okay, go to the feature, extrude base, so it's like 20, not merge result, and okay. And now the part of fillet, go to the fillet, select the top plane like side, Okay, and close. So this laptop stand design is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. Please support this channel. You will get a lot of tutorial from this channel. Thank you for watching.